All right, guys. Last night we were on the dyno. We had some issues getting the car into dyno mode properly. Bill was able to reach out to John at Visconti, and we got a call back, and we'll show you the correct, proper way to get this in, including all the steps. So first, we hit the start button without pushing the brake pedal, just to turn the dash display on and turn the car on, basically.
And then you just hit it 3 times really quick to get it into this display. Then there's the trip odometer. You just got to hold that down for about 10 seconds.
And then the display is going to show up on the right-hand side there, and you're going to go past this mode. And then you're going to get into the main identification system test. You want to push the button to scroll down, and there's a chassis dyno.
Now you just hold the button.
Hold the button. 4 seconds, about 5 seconds.
Yeah. And then, okay.
So now you got another display that says start dyno mode /VSC off ?
And you just press it once.
Tap it. Goes away. You get a ding.
Now you're in test mode over here.
The screen will show you test mode. Okay. And then what we do, hit the center button.
Just hold it down.
One time for 3 to 4 seconds. VSC light will come on the dash.
Yep.
And then we'll put the car in sport mode. And that display is now on the dash. And then we hit the brake and start it up. This will allow us to get the car into 5th gear without it shifting. We were having it shift before, correct?
Yeah, it was auto shifting on us before we could do that.
And there was issues with the parking brake, the sensors, all kinds of stuff. So this eliminates all that. So there you go, guys. That's the proper step. Thanks, Bill. Appreciate it.
Yep. Thanks, John.
Thanks, John. Put any information below. Thanks, guys.